Hi viewers, welcome to Home Style Cooking with me, Priya Chutney. Sometimes I crave for masala dosa. That's when I remember that I don't have the batter. Then I have to wait to soak the rice and the urad dal and wait for it to ferment and then make it the next day. That's when I found out an instant way to make the masala dosa batter. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make instant masala dosa batter and also very crispy masala dosas with the filling as well. Without further delay, let's get cooking. Firstly, wash the following ingredients: urad dal, idli rice, poha. So just wash them. And now drain off the water. Now to this I'm adding a cup of cooked rice. You can use any rice that you want. Next to this I'm adding a cup of yogurt. Lastly, a quarter spoon of baking powder. I'm just going to grind this into a fine paste, adding a little bit of water. So I made the batter for the dosa. To this I'm just going to be adding half a cup of rava. Just mix it all together. Just going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit more water. Mix it all together and keep it aside for about 5 to 10 minutes, and we'll make the potato filling now. Now I'm just making the potato filling. For that, just add some oil. Once the oil is heated up, I'm just adding some mustard seeds. Next to this, I'm adding some curry leaves and green chilies. Now I'm adding chopped ginger. And cut onions. So the onions have to become slightly transparent, so fry until then. Now I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a little bit of salt. Now to this I'm just adding some boiled potatoes. I just smashed them up slightly. Just going to be adding this into this now. Now just add a little bit of water. So adding a little bit of water just helps the potato to combine well with the onion gravy. So the potato filling for the masala dosa is ready. I'm just going to keep this aside. Next I'm going to show you how to make the red chutney for the masala dosa. So to make the red chutney, I've taken some dry red chilies, onion, jeera, chana dal and garlic. I'm just going to grind all this into a fine paste. So after you've made it into fine paste, this is how it should look. I'm just going to keep this aside and let's make the dosas now. Now I'm just going to slightly spread the red chutney. It's a bit too spicy, so don't put too much. And in the middle, just add some potato filling. And the dosa should be ready. You can see how nice and crunchy it's come out. Now it's ready to be plated up. And there you go viewers, this is how you make instant masala dosa. You can have this with sambar and chutney as well. I'll meet you next time with a new exciting recipe. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. If you've liked the video, share it with your family and friends. I'll see you next time. Until then, this is Priya Chutney signing off.